What's going on today, guys? So gonna be going for a little rip here with my buddy's LS1 Firebird. Should be pulling up here shortly. Oh, look at this thing! Woo!
New plan.
You hear that? LS1. It ain't no JDM stuff like we're used to. Woo! Oh, this thing just purrs.
Just purring.
Good old Saskatchewan. Ice cold roads. What are the poor people doing?
Winter doesn't stop us.
No, it doesn't. That ain't no granny shifting. Oh yeah, I gotta love construction. City of Saskatoon. Look at that tight crane. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh. So crisp!
Just a
So crisp! Woo!
dank low RPM third pull.
Dank.
Okay, ready?
Yep. That just, when you hooked, it just went.
It's so weird. Sometimes she'll hook and like other times it'll just shred right through the gear. And it's like, I think it's just depending on if you're going uphill or downhill. Like seriously.
Wow, and also the weather's not helping either. When,
yeah, and it's like cold.
I bet it's like minus 10 the asphalt is, so. Woo! Sounds dank.
Not bad for stock.
For now.
You'll see.
You'll see.
Give me a month and we'll do this again.
30-day trial.
30-day trial, yeah. Add our 243 casting heads. So you can buy a set of those 243 heads for like $300 and port them and make like 450 wheel. So that's my plan. And then all this, I got a new intake. All this kind of shit's coming off and get the stupid stock manifolds out of there.
It's clean.
It's gonna be tight. I gotta do a good wash job on it.